Hi guys and gals, Froggy here, 2019 Subaru Forester, and we're going to do an engine filter and a cabin filter. If we've got the right filters, we'll see. Let's open it up. Okay, so far we got two clips on the top, and usually it just kind of hinges on the bottom. There might be a couple of plastic tabs or something on the bottom. You might have to lift. There you go, lifting a little, lifting and pulling. Okay, here's your old one. It doesn't really look too bad. This truck doesn't go off-road that much. Bend it so you can look in between. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Okay, we'll replace it anyway. This is called Premium Guard High Flow. I'm not sure I've ever used one of these before.
Amazon.
Certified ISO 9001. That's usually a good thing. And there's a K&N and a Wix. Those are two that I'm more familiar with, and there are those part numbers there. And I'll put a link in the comments for Amazon. Okay. So what we're doing, you see you got a little accordion thing here. We want to shove this whole plastic box that way, a little bit up and a little bit that way, and that gives us the clearance to drop the filter in, okay? See, right in the middle of where my flashlight is moving around, right there. See where that, when I move the thing up and down, there's a tab there that goes in the hole. And the hole is right directly under the tab. There it is, right square in the middle of your screen. That has to be in there before you do the top. Otherwise, you are not having a correct seal, okay? Both sides, there's two of those on the bottom. So when you think you've got it down there, wiggle it and jiggle it and make sure that it's in there tight. And then these, can you move this in? Just snap that down as hard as you can. And snap that on. All right, that's in there correctly. Okay, that's all there is to it. So you can pay double or triple the price for the filter plus labor to have somebody install that for you, or you could do it yourself. Now you know how. Okay, for the cabin, open your glove box, empty everything out of it. Pull this little hook right there where his right hand is. Get that out of the way, one side only. Push in on the two sides of the glove box, and that will disconnect that little tab. You see the little tab right there, just pushing in kind of disconnects that little tab there. And now we're where we need to be. Alright. Looks like just pulling on it. Doesn't appear to be any latch. And that's the old one. That one looks even dirtier than the engine filter. Huh. Okay, let's find the new one and see if it fits. Alright, this is the new one that we're using. Guaranteed to fit, quote unquote. And I'll put a link for this also. There you go.
Amazon.
Carbon filter, guaranteed to filter all the bad stuff out. All right, the orientation is like that. Okay, you just shove it in. Does it click a little bit?
Yeah, click.
A little bit of click. All right. Put your glove box back. Same way it came out. See those little hooks? Show the little hooks on the back. So the little hooks go around the little rod area, and then push in on the sides again a little bit to get it up higher, and then hook that latch, and we're done. So same thing, you can pay 3 or 4 times the price and the dealer labor, or you can do it yourself. Now you know how to do it. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Let's go, Brandon.